A Filipino migrant fisher never made it home.
Sam de la Cruz was 25, from a farming town in the Philippines when he signed up for work at sea in 2018. But the seaman's job he sought out was not what he got. Instead, Sam was sent to a Chinese fishing vessel off the coast of Somalia. When he got sick, the captain brushed it off. A month later, Sam died of multiple organ failure. His body was buried in Somalia the next day, without his family even knowing.
Hindi ko makatulog. Dumabuang wala ko, ma'am. Gamay kahong ko. Ang isip ko dito lang sa iya.
7 years later, they're still waiting to bring him home. Sam's story isn't unique. Thousands of Filipino migrant fishers face abuse, illness, and death at sea. Many suffer in silence.
But some survivors are fighting back.
Nante Maglangit won a legal case against his former employers for delayed wages and contract violations.
Kaya ito, ginawa ko, hindi para sa akin na to, para na to sa mga darating na panahon pa na sana may mga batas o may mga gobyerno na makarinig para magkaroon ng proteksyon yung mga fisherman na hindi maagrabyado at saka magkaroon ng pantay-pantay at maayos na pagtingin.
Read my full investigation and context to learn more.